Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to take you on a journey into the vibrant world of tropical rainforests, some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on our planet. These lush forests are primarily located near the equator, with notable regions including the Amazon bison in South America and Congo bison in Africa and Southeast Asia, primarily in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia.
Tropical rainforests experience a warm and humid climate with temperatures averaging between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and receiving annual rainfall of 175 to 200 centimeters. The consistent warmth and moisture create a perfect environment for an extraordinary variety of life.
In these forests, you can find an impressive array of plants, including towering trees like the mahogany and kapok, which can reach heights of over 60 meters. These dense canopy formed by these trees houses countless species of epiphytes, vines, and ferns, creating a complex habitat.
Tropical rainforests are home to about half the world's species of plants and animals. Colorful birds such as parrots and toucans split through the trees, while mammals like jaguars and sloths make their homes in the branches. In the underbrush, you might encounter amphibians like poisonous dart frogs and countless insects, including vibrant butterflies. An interesting fact is that many medicines have been derived from rainforest plants. For instance, the rosy periwinkle from Madagascar has been used to treat leukemia and lymphoma. However, these precious ecosystems are under threat from deforestation, climate change, and habitat destruction, which makes conservation efforts crucial. In conclusion, tropical rainforests are not only vital for the health of our planet, but they are also a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural wonders. Let's cherish and protect these incredible ecosystems for generations. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to immerse you in the breathtaking world of the coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea. These vibrant ecosystems are primarily found in warm, shallow waters of tropical and subtropical oceans, with significant locations including the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia, the Caribbean Sea, the Red Sea, and the Coral Triangle in Southeast Asia. Coral reefs thrive in waters that range from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, where sunlight can penetrate, allowing photosynthetic algae called zooxanthellae to flourish within the coral polyps. This symbiotic relationship is vital as the algae provide energy to the corals, contributing to the vibrant colors we associate with these underwater gardens. The structure of coral reefs is formed by tiny coral polyps which secrete calcium carbonate, creating the intricate hard skeletons that form the reef itself. These reefs are teeming with life, providing habitat and shelter to an astonishing diversity of marine species. Over 4,000 species of fish, numerous invertebrates, and various marine plants such as sea grass and algae call these reefs home.
Among the fascinating inhabitants are clownfish, which find refuge among the stinging tentacles of sea anemones and majestic sea turtles.
gliding gracefully through the water. You might also encounter vibrant parrotfish, which helps maintain the reef by grazing on algae, and the elusive reef shark, an apex predator that plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem balance. An interesting fact is that coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor but support around 25% of all marine life. However, these delicate ecosystems face serious threats from climate change, ocean acidification, pollution, and overfishing. Protecting coral reefs is essential not only for marine biodiversity but also for the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on them for food, tourism, and coastal protection. In conclusion, coral reefs are vital ecosystems that showcase the beauty and complexity of marine life. It is our responsibility to safeguard these underwater treasures for future generations. Thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to take you to an enchanting world of deciduous forest, a dynamic and variable ecosystem characterized by its seasonal change and rich biodiversity. Deciduous forests are primarily found in temperate regions, including parts of North America, Europe, and Asia. Notable locations including the eastern United States, much of Europe, and southern parts of Canada. The climate in deciduous forest is marked by four decision seasons: warm summer, cold winter, and tropical spring and fall produce average temperatures ranging from -1 to 30 degrees Celsius, with yearly varying from 27 to 150 centimeters, with seasonal variability. Players and circle role in the life circles of both plants and animals in the ecosystem. Deciduous forests are dominated by broadleaf trees such as oak, maple, birch, and beech, which lose their leaves in fall to conserve water during the winter months. The forest floor is often blanketed with rich layers of litter, providing nutrients for an array of on-story plants, including ferns, wildflowers, and shrubs. This ecosystem supports the wild variety of wildlife. Mammals such as deer, foxes, and squirrels thrive here. Wild birds, woodpeckers, owls, and migratory songbirds find apple nests sitting among the trees. Insects, amphibians, and reptiles also play essential roles in the forest food web combination to the overall biodiversity. An interesting fact about the deciduous forest is their incredible ability to regenerate. Then a tree falls to create openings in canopy, only sunlight to reach the forest floor, promising the growth of new plants. This cycle of growth and care supports and rich ecosystems that change with the season. However, deciduous forests are face challenges such as deforestation, urban developments, and climate changes, which threaten their biodiversity and ecological balance. Protecting these forests is crucial, not just for the myriad species that depend on them, but also for the bioecosystem service they provide, including carbon storage, air purification, and soil stabilization. In conclusion, the deciduous forest is a remarkable ecosystem filled with life changes and resilience. By understanding and conveniencing these forests, we can ensure their beauty and benefit endure for generations to come. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to take you on a journey into a fascinating world of the desert. Ecosystems, a unique environment characterized by its extreme conditions and remarkable adaptations. Deserts are found across the globe, with notable locations including Sahara in Africa and Mojave, in North America and arid desert in the Middle East, and the Gobi in Asia. The scenes are found at low, typically receiving less than 25 centimeters of rain per year. The arid climate to extreme temperatures ranging scorching daytime that can exceed 40 degrees Celsius and chilly nights that can drop below freezing, especially in the deserts reaching at higher elevation.
Especially hard because the deserts are teeming with life. The landscape is often dominated by a harshly planet dominated to prevent water, such as animal. Except for example, the circle cactus and can a larger amount of water floss. That the animal's life in the desert is equally many species have a remarkable enough to survive in such a forgiving the kangaroo's whack can survive without drinking water. Mustard from the seeds it can eat other deserts, including the lizards, the Lappin mammals such as the furnace fox, which has a large ears that help them sweet heat.
An interesting fact about deserts is their importance in the global ecosystem. They play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and are home to unique biodiversity that contributes to scientific research and medicinal discoveries. Additionally, the phenomenon of desert riffing, where fertile land becomes desert due to various factors, highlight the urgent need for sustainable land management practice. In conclusion, the desert ecosystem is a testament to the resilience of the life extreme conditions. By understanding and protecting these unique environments, we appreciate their beauty and ensure their preserved for the future generation. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to dive into measuring world of the marine ecosystem, which encompasses the vast ocean that covers over 70 of our planet. The marine ecosystem includes a variety of settings from the sunlit surface waters of colorless resistance to the mysterious defects of the abyssal zone. Marine resistance includes the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Each hustles, inquires, environments, and diverse life forms. The weather in marine ecosystems varies greatly depending on location. Coastal areas often experience milder temperatures and higher humidity, while open oceans can be subject to extreme weather patterns, including storms and hurricanes. The ocean currents also play a critical role in regulating global climate by distributing heat around the planet. The marine ecosystem is home to an incredible variety of life, including both plants and animals. Phytoplankton, microscope plants that drift in the sunlit surface waters from the base of the marine food web and produce a significant portion of the world's oxygen. Larger marine plants such as the seagrasses and kelp forests provide vital habitats for numerous species. Among the animals, we find an astonishing array of species, from tiny fish to massive whales. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforest of the sea, are particularly rich in biodiversity, hosting thousands of species, including colorful coral reefs, fish, and sea turtles. The open ocean is home to powerful predators like sharks and tunas, while the deep sea hosts unique creatures adapt to extreme conditions such as bioluminescent organisms and giant squid. An interesting fact about marine ecosystem is that they are integral to the Earth's health. Oceans absorb about 30% of carbon dioxide emissions, helping to mitigate climate change. However, they face significant threats from pollution, overfishing, and climate change, which impact marine biodiversity and the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on the ocean for an income. In conclusion, the marine ecosystem is a vital, complex, and awe-inspiring part of our planet that supports an extraordinary range of life. By understanding and protecting our oceans, we can ensure a healthier future for both marine and humanity. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I invite you to explore the captivating tundra ecosystem, a unique environment characterized by its cold, harsh climate and remarkable resilience. The tundra is mostly in the high Arctic regions, including parts of Alaska, Canada, Greenland, and Siberia, as well as in alpine areas at high altitudes around the world. The tundra experiences extreme weather conditions with long, frigid winters and short, cool summers. Temperatures can plummet to as low as -50 degrees Celsius in winters, while summer temperatures rarely exceed 10 degrees Celsius. Precipitation is low, most falling as snow, which creates a layer of permafrost, permanently frozen ground that can extend several meters deep.
Despite its seemingly inhospitable condition, the tundra is home to a variety of horned plants and animals. Vegetation is predominantly low-growing with mosses, lichen, grass, and small sprouts that have adapted to the cold and short growing seasons. These plants play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Among wildlife, you might find iconic animals such as Arctic fox, caribou, and polar bear. Migratory birds flock to the tundra in the summer to breed, including species like snowbird and Arctic tern. The tundra It is also home to unique adaptations. For instance, the Arctic are as thick for as they are as instant against the cold, while caribou has specialized hooves that help them travel over snow and ice.
And the interesting fact about the tundra is that it stores vast amount of carbon in its permafrost, which plays a significant role in regulating the Earth's climate. However, with climate change causing permafrost to thaw, there are concerns about the release of greenhouse gas, which could exacerbate global warming. In conclusion, the tundra is a remarkable ecosystem that showcases the beauty and resilience of life in conditions. Understanding and protecting this fragile environment is still for maintaining the balance of our planet. Thank you.